Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today's video I will be doing a step-by-step detailed process on how to make a wig cap for beginner. This hair is 100% virgin hair. If you want to order the hair, that's my WhatsApp number on the screen. I'll be using 3 bundles, 300 grams. Each of the bundles came with 10 inches. The closure is also 10 inches. For beginner, we need a mannequin head and a wig cap. I like to use a stretchy dome cap. I will recommend this dome cap if you are a beginner. You also need thread and a needle, scissors, elastic band, and some pin. Next is to pin down the lace closure. I'll pin one at the side, one at the other side. I will also pin down the back just to secure it when I am sewing it. So what I like to do next is to use a hair packer to pack the closure so that it doesn't disturb me when I am sewing it. Next is to thread the needle. Take the thread through the needle, knot the end, and cut off the remaining. So we are going to sew down the closure. Take the needle, bring it out through the closure. When sewing, put the needle on the fabric. Don't put it on the elastic band. If not, when you are done, you might not just be able to wear your wig cap if you put the needle on the elastic band. Focus on the way I am sewing it. I bet you, after watching this video, you will be able to make your wig cap yourself.
They call me bad boy. Then they call me baddest. I'm the only baddest when I go bring you saddy. Then they call me bad boy. I'm the only bad boy we go to bring you sweet joy. And when I look into your eye, you're a silly paradise, girl. I know, so you're not the real thing. And I like the way you whine, you're my cutie pie, girl. Your love is so amazing. Baby girl, say I love you. Make you tell me yes I do.
So once I am done sewing the closure, I will simply knot down the thread and cut off the remaining.
They tell you say get me no love you. Them a carry photo and then they put her for show. Yeah, you the bonder, you know send the ban you. And they call me baddest. Hey, I'm the only baddest when I go bring you saddy. And they call me bad boy. Girl, I be holding bad boy, we go to bring you.
To sew the bundle, I like to start with a single bundle. When sewing the bundle, I like to take it very close to the closure. Take the needle through the cap and bring it out through the bundle.
Easy like Sunday morning. Come on, you was simple. You the simple like face with no pimples. She love me for real. We comfortable, she the make I feel. Every day with the tank on my till. Bring us together for eternity. All them said roses are red and the violet are blue. And sugar the sweet, you know the sweet like you. And when we pass through them, I wonder how we they fly, we no carry bell flu. They call me bad boy. I be holding bad boy, we no go use you for toy. They call me bad.
I don't like to cut my bundle. I'll flip it over and continue on the next line.
and me, we go the balling together. No divorce, we go the stay here forever. Me them talk, we go the flex like a partner. Put me for head now, you show them like a banner. Stomp the block, them a fling it all over. Jump papas, we go the pass them and over. Move on, we move like a caterpillar. Follow me, girl, Mr. Lover, Jackie Sula. Baby girl, say I love you. Make you tell me yes I do. Yes I do. Yeah. Baby girl, say I love you. Make you tell me yes I do.
I just finished sewing the first bundle, so I'm going to double the second bundle.
And your love is so amazing. I like it, you like it. I don't say we didn't like it. You want it, baby, come and take it. Make we bond them, cause we no say. Then they call me baddest. Hey, I'm the only baddest when I go bring you saddy. Then they call me bad boy. Girl, I be honest, bad boy. I bring you sweet joy. Then they call me baddest. Hey, I'm the only baddest when I go bring you saddy. Then they call me bad boy. Hey, girl, I be only bad boy. Me not go use you for toy. Hey. I like it, you like it. I don't say we don't like it. They call me bad boy, bad boy, bad boy. Make we bond them, cause we no say. Then they call me baddest. I'm the only baddest when I go bring you saddy. Then they call me bad boy. I'm the only bad boy when go the.
Once I am done sewing it, I will cut off the remaining bundle. I'll secure the end, knot down the thread, and cut off the remaining.
Baby girl, say I love you. Make you tell me yes I do. I dem a all over for, I dem a carry they go. And they tell you say get me no love you. Dem a carry photo, and then they put her for show. Get you the bond that you know send the ban you. Then they call me.
I will be sewing the remaining bundle at the back of the wig cap.
Then they call me bad boy. Girl, I be holding bad boy, we go to bring you sweet joy. Baby girl, say I love you.
I will cut off the excess dump cap from the space of the closure. I will also sew elastic band to the wig because I don't want the wig to fall off my head when putting it on. Next, I'm going to style the hair. Take out a little bit of baby hair. Pluck the hair. And trim it with a scissors. Then cut off the excess lace. That's the final look, guys. So beautiful. If you enjoyed the video, click on the like button. Leave me a comment in the comment section below. Like I said earlier, if you want to order the hair, contact me on WhatsApp with the phone number I drop on the screen.